customers can dramatically lower costs, deploy, scale, and upgrade business solutions more quickly than maintaining on-premises systems and software, and predict the total cost of ownership with greater accuracy. However, there is a very tricky question related to making all these real. How? By absorbing the integration of the cloud-based software delivery model software as a service into your cloud application software. It provides automatic software updates and makes software available to its customers via the internet on a pay-as-you-go basis. 2. What is SaaS? Software as a service, or SaaS, is a way of delivering applications over the internet, as a service. Instead of installing and maintaining software, you simply access it via the internet, freeing yourself from complex software and hardware management. SaaS applications are sometimes called web-based software, on-demand software, or hosted software. Whatever the name, SaaS applications run on a SaaS provider's servers. The provider manages access to the application, including security, availability, and performance. SaaS is one of three main categories of cloud computing, alongside infrastructure as a service, IaaS, and platform as a service, PaaS. A range of IT professionals, business users and personal users use SaaS applications. Products range from personal entertainment, such as Netflix, to advanced IT tools. Unlike IaaS and PaaS, SaaS products are frequently marketed to both B2B and B2C users. 3. SAAS Architecture. SaaS applications and services typically use a multi-tenant approach, which means a single instance of the SaaS application will be running on the host servers, and that single instance will serve each subscribing customer or cloud tenant. The application will run on a single version and configuration across all customers, or tenants. Though different subscribing customers will run on the same cloud instance with a common infrastructure and platform, the data from different customers will still be segregated. The typical multi-tenant architecture of SaaS applications means the cloud service provider can manage maintenance, updates and bug fixes faster, easier and more efficiently. Rather than having to implement changes in multiple instances, engineers can make necessary changes for all customers by maintaining the one, shared instance. Furthermore, multi-tenancy allows a greater pool of resources to be available to a larger group of people, without compromising important cloud functions such as security, speed and privacy. 4. How does software as a service work? SaaS works through the cloud delivery model. A software provider will either host the application and related data using its own servers, databases, networking and computing resources, or it may be an ISV that contracts a cloud provider to host the application in the provider's data center. The application will be accessible to any device with a network connection. SaaS applications are typically accessed via web browsers. In the software-on-demand SaaS model, the provider gives customers network-based access to a single copy of an application that the provider created specifically for SaaS distribution. The application's source code is the same for all customers, and when new features or functionalities are released, they are rolled out to all customers. Depending on the service level agreement, SLA, the customer's data for each model may be stored locally, in the cloud or both locally and in the cloud. Organizations can integrate SaaS applications with other software using application programming interfaces, APIs. For example, a business can write its own software tools and use the SaaS provider's APIs to integrate those tools with the SaaS offering. 5. SaaS advantages/benefits. Gain access to sophisticated applications. To provide SaaS apps to users, you don't need to purchase, install, update, or maintain any hardware, middleware, or software. SaaS makes even sophisticated enterprise applications, such as ERP and CRM, affordable for organizations that lack the resources to buy, deploy, and manage the required infrastructure and software themselves. Pay only for what you use. You also save money because the SaaS service automatically scales up and down according to the level of usage. Use free client software. Users can run most SaaS apps directly from their web browser without needing to download and install any software, although some apps require plugins. This means that you don't need to purchase and install special software for your users. Mobilize your workforce easily. SAAS makes it easy to mobilize your workforce because users can access SAAS apps and data from any internet-connected computer or mobile device. You don't need to worry about developing apps to run on different types of computers and devices because the service provider has already done so. In addition, you don't need to bring special expertise on board to manage the security issues inherent in mobile computing. A carefully chosen service provider will ensure the security of your data, regardless of the type of device consuming it. Access app data from anywhere. With data stored in the cloud, users can access their information from any internet-connected computer or mobile device. And when app data is stored in the cloud, no data is lost if a user's computer or device fails. 6. SAAS features. If reducing costs and growing your business is a priority, utilizing SAAS features will allow sales and business teams to engage more effectively with stakeholders as well as existing and prospective clients. Here are the top 5 ways SAAS features can improve your business. 1. Boost lead management through better identification and monitoring during the sales cycle. 2. Improve sales and marketing collaboration by capturing and sharing prospect and customer insights better. 3. Improves marketing automation by streamlining your digital marketing campaigns. 4. Improves data management. 5. Improves contact management through better storing, organizing and tracking of information about your customers, prospects and sales leads. 7. SAAS capabilities. Connected, cross-business solutions. Connect and optimize cross-departmental business processes. Gain a holistic view of your entire business. Faster, more flexible update paths. Access new capabilities on a quarterly basis. Choose to update at the speed of your business, not on a provider's timetable. Easy personalization. Quickly personalize solutions for your business needs. Preserve valuable customizations through updates. Data portability. Share and/or move data across SaaS, on-premises, and private cloud applications. Quickly prepare, visualize, and analyze data to see trends and patterns. Incorporate third-party data for rich analytics. Built-in analytics. Access data in real time. Avoid expensive, time-consuming data egress costs. Faster innovation leveraging embedded technologies. Enhance productivity with built-in self-learning and adaptive intelligence. Innovate quickly and continuously across the entire value chain with AI, machine learning, chatbots, digital assistants, IoT, blockchain, and other emerging technologies. 8. Challenges and risks of SaaS. SaaS also poses some potential risks and challenges, as businesses must rely on outside vendors to provide the software, keep that software up and running, track and report accurate billing and facilitate a secure environment for the business's data. Issues beyond customer control. Issues can arise when providers experience service disruptions, impose unwanted changes to service offerings or experience a security breach, all of which can have a profound effect on the customer's ability to use the SaaS offering. To proactively mitigate these issues, customers should understand their SaaS provider's SLA and make sure it is enforced. Customers lose control over versioning. If the provider adopts a new version of an application, it will roll out to all of its customers, regardless of whether or not the customer wants the newer version. This may require the organization to provide extra time and resources for training. Difficulty switching vendors. As with using any cloud service provider, switching vendors can be difficult. To switch vendors, customers must migrate very large amounts of data. Furthermore, some vendors use proprietary technologies and data types, which can further complicate customer data transfer between different cloud providers. Vendor lock-in is when a customer cannot easily transition between service providers due to these conditions. Security. Cloud security is often cited as a significant challenge for SaaS applications. 9. SaaS examples and vendors. The SaaS market includes a variety of software vendors and products. Industry players include small, single-product vendors all the way up to cloud giants such as AWS and Google. SaaS products are also diverse, ranging from video streaming services to IT business analytics tools. There are SaaS applications for fundamental business applications such as email, sales management, customer relationship management, CRM, financial management, human resource management, HRM, billing and collaboration. Enterprise SaaS products for specific industries, such as insurance or medical, are known as vertical SaaS products. Examples of popular SaaS products: Google Workspace, Salesforce, Trello, Zoom, DocuSign, Slack, Adobe Creative Cloud, MailChimp, Netflix, Spotify. 10. Pricing of SaaS. Generally, using a SaaS product is more cost-effective than a traditional software license for enterprise software, as setup and installation onto hardware are not necessary. SaaS providers typically use one of many subscription-based pricing models for customers. Free, or ad-based. A service may be free for users, with the SaaS provider generating revenue through selling advertisement space. In this model, there is typically an option to upgrade to a paid tier that doesn't include intrusive ads. Flat rate. Customers are granted access to the software's full suite of features for a fixed monthly or annual subscription fee. Per user. Pricing is determined by how many people will be using the service for each subscription. There is a fixed price for every user. Per user tiers. Pricing tiers are based on a range of how many active users can exist on a single subscription. Storage tiers. Customers may have free access to a service but will be required to pay for storage if they wish to continue using the product after they pass the free limit. Pay-as-you-go, or usage-based. The more customers use the service, the more they are billed and vice versa. Per active user. This incorporates aspects of the per-user and pay-as-you-go strategies. Subscribers are billed per user, but only if the user has been actively using the service beyond a defined threshold. Feature-based tiers. Price tiers are determined by the amount of features the subscriber seeks. In this model, reduced versions of the software with limited features are available for a lower price than the maximum functionality tier. Freemium. The service will be generally free to use with an entry-level tier. However, there will typically be functional restrictions in place that are designed to upsell customers to a paid tier.